Yay, yay, Monday, 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 yay. Make me nervous. What's up, really, really? It's Monday. It's Monday. What's up, guys? I don't know. I'm not really hungry. I don't know, child. What's up, guys? What's up? I just got out of the shower. Somebody sent me a message or something about my hair. I'm gonna put my clothes on, sorry. Somebody sent me something about my hair. I'm gonna show y'all my underwear. They're so cute. They got pretty flowers all over. Why am I babbling and rambling? Anyway, I'm just gonna show y'all what I do to my. When I'm about to get ready to do my videos, I take my shower. If I'm doing a mask or a scrub, I do that mask or that scrub first. So I'm just. I was gonna fry good. I got a taste for a good old fried bologna sandwich with cheese. We got it, the bologna and the cheese, but no bread. No bread. Then I was like, okay, I'll do a good old hot dog. Got the wieners and the chili. No hot dog bun. And you know me, I do a piece of white bread quick. It ain't none. Okay. So I'm just showing y'all what I do. I turn my fan off. It's hot. Jesus Christ. Okay. When I get out, the first thing I do is this. Minoxidil foam, and you know my spots. You gotta put it directly. It foam up. I put this all over. You're supposed to part it. You're supposed to part it and put it on there, but I don't. I put it on everything. I put it on my beard. Put it on my eyebrow. I put it on my eyebrow. And it's got the little, supposed to be like a little spongy massage thing. Anyway, that's the first thing I do. This is straight out of the shower. I use this. A lot about it. A lot about it. I'm just going to put them all on there, y'all, so y'all can see. Oh, I'll use this. This is water and gel. I use this. Y'all know about a ponytail. Y'all know about that cheap dollar gel that you do a ponytail. Okay. Sometimes I just leave it like that and then just shake it out. Spruce it up. Shake it out. Like that. Like that. Get it all over. That's just the mousse. And then sometimes I do this with the gel. Just spray it down. Just spray her down. How I look in the back? Do it look a mess in the back? That's all I do. And so I told you sometimes I put this on now. It's just something about this gel. I think because when I was doing hair, this the gel we used to use for an old pony, for a good old bald pony. Fuck it all about honey. And I was gonna texturize it, but I was like, I don't feel like I don't want to put no. I don't went this long without having no chemicals in my head. I really don't want to put nothing in there. But it curls up even more if I texturize it. Well, slick down, baby. So I can get me some finger waves. I used to love finger waves back in the day. When I was in high school, y'all. When I tell you I used to rock finger wave, push wave. I went to a basketball one time. My boo was on the basketball team. I had got my push waves and I was so mad because I was late because the damn hairdresser took so damn long back in the day. You was at the hairdresser all day long and I had to go after school, so sure. I wish I had a yearbook so I could show you mine. Then just push it. Y'all remember push wave? So I don't know what I'm doing. That gel got it stiff now, so what I would coming out. Back in the day, I would put QP Intense Conditioner on it when I got the shower, and then I would hold my head upside down and blow dry it dry, sticking out up. But I just wanted to do this because somebody asked about what I be putting on my hair. I'll be putting that on now. But I do need to get a really good conditioner, though, and start conditioning it because I don't do none of that. I just got out of the shower and put some kind of setting lotion on it, or use the gel, child. And then when I get finished with the style that I want, I spray it down with this. I will always use this, honey. When I tell you this shines up everything, it shines up everything. Try even be spraying it on my shoes. It shines up everything. I just wanted to show y'all that to the subscriber who asked me about my hair. That's it, y'all. I don't be doing that. The most important thing is that minoxidil. Minoxidil 5% foam. I got it from Amazon. But that's it on that. That's it on that. I had a part on this side last time. But that's it, y'all. That's all I be doing. What be doing now? Nothing at all. That's it. I don't feel like cooking, y'all. I don't know what's going on. But I also be using stuff like Gorilla Glue and all that kind of stuff. And the crazy part about it, none of it makes my hair hard. When it dries up, it still dries up. It usually dries up. You know how you put on setting lotion or gel or something on your hair, and it be stiff. Mine don't be. It be a little stiff, but just a little bit. I'm finna wash my hands, y'all. I got gel everywhere. I'll be back. Like, comment, and subscribe. I'm just showing you a little hair tutorial. I should have showed you skin stuff too. Okay, hold on. I don't know what I was thinking, y'all, but I cleaned up too. I should have recorded it because I do not feel like cooking today. Why my hair look brown? You know, man. said I was gonna drink water all this week, child. I'm gonna make me some tea. And then I ain't got no. This right here is so sweet till it's ridiculous. So what I do is take one of these with a couple of these and boil them together, and then just add water. You ain't even gotta put no sugar. I don't know what it. My mom bought this a long time ago. I've had this since we stayed over there next door, and it's so strong and so potent. Oh, what ain't number 2 left? Ain't number 2 left. So that's good. I said I didn't feel like cooking. I'm gonna throw me some fries in the air fryer. Like, comment, and subscribe, guys. What's up? What's happening? It's Monday, baby. It's Monday. We made it to the beginning of the week. Go ahead and get it started. Do your thing. I need to start drinking my Kool-Aid and my tea without sugar. That's what I need to be doing. Ooh, I wanted a fried bologna sandwich. Okay, guys, I'll be back when that tea and the fries get done. Like, come subscribe. It's your boy, Really Real. It's a little slow day. It ain't slow day. I just don't feel like cooking. I should have recorded myself cleaning up. That's what I should have did. That's what I should have did, y'all. That's what I should have did. Thank you, guys. Nicole, everybody make sure y'all wish Nicole a happy, speedy recovery. Shout out to, oh Lord, I'm in the look at my phone. Kimmy, thank you, Kimmy, for the super chat. Aries, thank you, Aries, for the gift. I took my shot Saturday, y'all. Oh, and when I went and picked up my Trulicity, I think I was supposed to go up a dose, but I didn't go up a dose. I don't know. I should have though, and then they was like, well, we would have to call you. They would have to call the doctor, or I would have to walk over there. And I was like, I don't feel like doing all that. And she was like, it ain't nothing wrong with just doing, and then just change it, go up to the next step. the next time, and I was like, you know what? You right. Just give it to me. Okay. Whew. My neck got a crook in my neck or something, y'all. Ooh. But yeah, I just did that. Something just told me to do it because somebody asked about it. And I remember that old school jail honey and old school lot of body and setting notion. That's all. But I do need to get a really good what you call it? Curling cream or what they call them creams now? Them I don't know, curl something and see how they work. But yeah, y'all. Okay, y'all. I'll be back. We're gonna wait on this these fries and this tea. Oh, that Trulicity is acting up today. She tried to get me. She got me feeling a little weird. And I've been drinking water all day, and I said I was gonna drink water all week. So I'm gonna make me some tea. I'm gonna make me some tea. And I hadn't went to the store, so I ain't got no sugar. So I just need to go to the store. But tomorrow I am getting my ass up, and I am going to the highway department. I am. I am. I'm going to get my license and stuff, address and stuff taken care of, and I'm going to get me some. And then when I get back, I don't know about that. Up until when I get back, I'm gonna walk and go get some bubble gum. I don't think so. Cause the DMV gonna take all day. The DMV is gonna take all day. But thank God they said the only thing I got to do is just come out there and just do everything. Put down my new address on the paperwork. Pay the money. Take the picture. Take an eye exam. And that's it. That's it. Why my nose feels so swole? I'm just rambling, y'all. I'll be back. It's Monday, baby. God has blessed us with this Monday, so let's get it. So let's get it, okay? It ain't nothing today, y'all. It ain't nothing today. But us just sitting here looking at each other's face. Hey, girl. What's up? Okay. What you and that man did this weekend, child? Y'all tell me what you and the man did this weekend, or your girlfriend, or your boyfriend. Hey, you know over here we don't discriminate. We never discriminate. What that mean? That don't even make no sense. I don't know. That don't make no sense. Why is the air fryer beeping? I said I'll be right back, and I'm still sitting here. Okay, y'all. Like, comment, subscribe. I love y'all guys. I'll be right back with my fries and some tea. I'm back, y'all. She was beeping because my fries were done. I'll be back. It's Monday. It's Monday. It's Monday. It's Monday. I want to rock. Hey. Hey, hey. Hey, hey, hey. Happy Monday, guys. Doodle Brown, baby. Yeah. I'm back. What's up, really, really? What's up, people? It's just some fries, child. That Trulicity trying to do this song got me a little nauseous. Oh. I made my tea. But it ain't sweet. I'm gonna take me a sip of this and go into a diabetic coma. Somebody call 911. Oh shit, y'all don't know the address. Sweet tea with lemon. It's insane how sweet that stuff is. Okay, y'all. It's Monday. What y'all got planned for the rest of the week? Oh, let me turn this one. Man, my butt's so flat. It hurt to sit on my butt bone. Well, thank you how you can't see my fry. We're so good. Try anything about, what is it called? O'Reilly? O'Reilly. I don't know, y'all. It's busting. I need to bring that down some. Bring that down some. Bring that down some. I had to come on here and talk to y'all no matter what. Y'all wanna know what's up? Every Monday I got to see my people. Put in the chat what you did this weekend, what you and your man did, you and your girl did. If you ain't do nothing, tell you sat at home and relax, got you some rest. Put it in the chat. We better get ready with all these sonic booms going. Child, we is screwed all the way around. Sonic booms, economy, racism, oh, it's just awful. I'm Sonic Boom, baby. And I was sitting there watching TV and I was like, what is this? I thought, because the road is right the street, I thought, you know, it was like a 18-wheelers that done crashed or something. Then they got talking about it on the news and going on. I was like, oh my God, I felt and heard that. And then I thought maybe it was thunder because it's been raining forever. And if it ain't raining, it's so humid and hot. So you can't even go outside. I'm not even to the store yet. It's just too hot and humid. I don't want to pass out. You know how them kids got me. I don't know why it's so light because I put 3 tea bags in there. 3 little tea bags and the 1 big sweet bag. I did add water though. Maybe I shouldn't have added the water. It's still good though. Okay, I don't know what this was, y'all. But I had to come on here. I love you guys. I should have recorded myself cleaning up the kitchen in my bedroom. I'm gonna miss the bedroom. But I love you guys. Thank you guys for hanging with me. It's Monday. You know Monday is that day. It's a slow day, but not a slow day. As long as you keep doing that and doing this and enjoying yourself, loving on yourself and living your life. A day is a day is a day is a day, baby. I love you guys. I'll see y'all guys later. Bye, guys. Oh, I got to go and sit in the DMV tomorrow. I'm going to. Oh, everybody pray on me that I go. Yeah, bye, y'all. Love yourself and live your life, and always believe in that man upstairs. Share love and smiles and laughter. Bye, guys.